Hello, Tiffany here with Cards Crafty Creations. Today is the unboxing of the Crafty Stamp Co's Crafty Crew Kit for March 2026. It is in pre-order, which has begun on February 8th to the 22nd. You will be able to pre-order the kit now, and then it will be shipping out on March 5th. So this is the stuff that is included in the kit. Something else that they do have is they have been putting out these monthly sketch challenges, and they post them, so far I've seen them once a month, and they post it on Facebook and Instagram. And so I thought it would be good to take the monthly challenge for February, use the kit to create our project using this stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so I went and I cut out all the pieces we need to make this card sketch, and put that up there. And then I did go ahead and color the Mama Meadow, and I colored her using Copic markers and my liner pins. They're just fine line pins from Hobby Lobby, as well as my white gel pen to put the polka dots on her sweater and her ribbons. And then I drew some lines to make it look like she's got some corduroy pants on, and then a little detailing to the bottom of her shirt, as well as drawing on some little fringe detail to her pants. So that is how I colored her for our card. And then I thought I would use the dog. My inclination was to use the cat, but I seem to be doing a lot of cats lately, so I thought the dog would be a good one to do for this one. So I colored him with Copic markers as well, and then I did the bow purple to match alongside her sweater. And then I used my white gel pen to add in some of the highlights. So those are the two characters we're going to use for our card. So let's go ahead and assemble this. Okay, so I think now instead of this, we're going to put her there, and then that should help cover up some of our edges. But I'm going to pop her up with some foam tape. I guess I didn't really plan that out too well. I should have done two like that. It's okay. Let's do a couple different pieces. Okay, now we'll peel all that off. And then we're going to put her right here so that she kind of covers up those raw edges of the flag. And then, I don't know, should we pop him up, or, ooh, let's do that, where he's kind of behind her, but he can be a little bit in front of her too. So we're just going to let's do that. So we'll adhere his rump down back there and his little ear to her hair. So he's kind of got a little bit of a pop-up going on there. And then I took the sentiment, Friends Forever, and we're going to put that, I don't know, let's do something unconventional here. Should we put it like that? let's do that. And I can already see that I need some faux some faux stitching on here. So let's put that there. Let's get some pins out. We definitely need some faux stitching, so let's put some on here. This is a black, it's not black, it's brown. Fine liner pin. So let's do that on this piece. Let's do like some just lines on our flags. Maybe some kind of sketchy lines. That way they're standing out just a little bit. I like sketchy lines. I don't necessarily like perfect, precise lines. I think sketchy lines makes it a little more creative. Because the only way you're going to get like straight, perfect lines is if you're like kind of printing, so I think this makes it a little more interesting. We'll do a little line down here. We'll go across the top. That way you don't have to take it too serious, but it does add like another element of interest. Okay. Oh, and we need to do this one here. Let's do faux stitching on our little sentiment. Oops. Actually, this is an 05. Might have been good with maybe an 01 just to make them a little thinner, but this will do for right now. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's get some little gems. I wasn't prepared and I had to go get them. So I have this whole thing of little gems. I think it'll be good because I think they're like the perfect color to go with this, and it's just going to add just a little bit. Okay, Tiffany, you gotta. I think it's just going to add just another little element of interest. We'll put one over that little paw there, and maybe a pink one down here. I think that looks good. We got 3 different sizes on there. We got our odd numbers. So we're just going to, let's hope this works. I didn't have the cap on. Okay, that works. Put these little gems on here. I think I got those from Hobby Lobby, like when their spring collection was like 90% off. But I'm sure you have some little gems you could put on yours. Okay, I think that pretty much concludes our card. Let's take a look at it. So I think it came out pretty good. I like the little added detail of the sketchy lines, which actually kind of go with her sketchy lines in her hair and on her pants. And then these little gems, and we got the pattern paper that represents our little pets. So I think it came out pretty cool. So as I said, this kit is on pre-order at the moment, so you can go over to Crafty Stamp Co and get yours. Get it before it's gone, because I think once the pre-order is done on the 22nd, you won't be able to order it again. unless they re-release it, which is normally, if they re-release it, it's normally like the next year. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Please come back and check out the other videos we have, as well as we have other people on the design team who also make videos, so please check those out as well. All right, everyone, have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.